Jewelry has been a part of my story since college. I love how it commemorates life's biggest events, and yet it can be part of making everyday moments special as well. Designing and making jewelry has been a lifelong passion, but 1990 was a turning point for me. I won my first Diamonds Today award from De Beers for a Triton shell brooch made of onyx and pearl and swirling baguette diamonds. That was the catalyst that gave me confidence to eventually open my own store. Naifeh Fine Jewelry first opened its doors 20 years ago. From a counter inside a department store to our very own storefront, it was a dream come true for me and an exciting chapter in our story. My team and I have been able to not only bring the work of amazing designers from all over the world to our customers, we've also created thousands of custom pieces. Whether it was breathing new life into a treasured family heirloom, or sending just the right message in a personalized engagement ring, or even creating a bespoke piece of jewelry to commemorate a personal milestone. I love how our jewelry becomes a meaningful part of our customer story. Many of our clients have become like family members over the years. Now we're even seeing second and third generations of those families celebrating their own milestones with us. My team and I are honored to have played a part in so many wonderful stories over the last 2 decades. And with that, it's time for the next chapter in our story. Part of this exciting new chapter is opening our new location in Nichols Hills Plaza. This space is going to allow us to design, create, and serve our clients better than ever. Our goal is always to provide an experience that matches the exceptional quality of our jewelry. We are proud of our excellent industry credentials, our cutting-edge technology, and our award-winning design team. But most of all, we're proud to serve this wonderful community, and we're proud to know that our story is your story.